To turn on your device, press and hold the long button adjacent to the LED battery indicators. Notice that it takes several seconds for the device to turn on. Wait until the device announces it's ready.
OrCam version 9 is ready.
To read text, hold the device in your hand like you would a pen and place your index finger on the round button. Press and hold the device to aim the laser frame at the block of text you want read to you. Hold the device steadily and release the round button. You will hear a camera shutter sound and some beeps, after which the device will start reading.
Before I proceed to give an account of my leaving this kingdom, it may be proper to inform.
Note that to capture a full page, you can rotate the device 90 degrees. During reading, the plus and minus buttons are used to skip back and forth. Double press to skip back and forth between lines. Press the round button to stop reading, and double press to pause and resume reading.